Hi guys, welcome back, and today we have another JavaScript tricky question. And most of the time this is asked in the interview question also. So the question is that I have an object and I want to make it read only. And that means if I in object, that is my own screen, I want to change the name and the email, that I should not be able to do this. The name and email should be the same. How can I do that? For that we have to use the object.freeze property. Okay, so let's first of all just implement and let's see is it changing, and after that I will tell you that how we can stop it. Okay, so just I put the object dot name is Bruce. Fine. And now just console dot one object, sorry, you can run this program in the Node and JavaScript or Federal.js and console anywhere. The result will be same. Okay, so now you can see that the name is changed and the email address is the same because here is the same. Okay, but I want to stop this. How can I stop this? Okay, so for stop this I have to use object dot freeze and pass my object here. And now let's try to do this and let's check the output. Now you can see that the name is same as the Anil, not is going to change. Why? Because we made it read only with the object dot freeze. Fine. So now one more thing I want to tell you, that it's if I just change it before, then it will be changed, because after the changing we implement the freeze object dot freeze after the changing. So now you can see that now it's changed, but if I want to change it again, it will not going to be changed. Okay, it will be still proofs. Okay, so it's not changing here. So it's the thing that how you can make the object read only. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this. For the more tricky question, don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.